Human rights matters to everyone, especially those who are vulnerable in our population. But if they don't matter to the homeless and the vulnerable, our rights don't matter either.
A symposium at the Canadian Human Rights Museum is addressing poverty and homelessness by hearing from the very individuals who have faced the issue firsthand. Al Weeb spent 28 months without a home after losing the job he worked at for 7 years. During that time, Weeb was suffering from depression. The pain was so much for him that at one point he attempted suicide.
I jumped off a bridge to take my life because I couldn't handle everything, and I was lucky to survive it.
Weeb was eventually able to get help, receiving both medical care and educational resources to help turn his life around. Now he is a full-time advocate for those who experience homelessness. It's stories like these that over 100 people from government to charitable organizations who work with those experiencing homelessness heard at the event. Some of the topics discussed included not only the lack of low-income housing available in Winnipeg, but also the challenges those experiencing homelessness face, like mental illness.
Well, mental health was a big discussion today, and just from working on the front line, I know that's a challenge. Some of the workers with the wages that they offer, that it's a challenge to support with the education that they've got. There's youth aging out of care, there's medical systems, there's a lot of different systems that are contributing to the homelessness.
Jacob Cuffman used to live on the streets of Vancouver. He was homeless from the ages of 15 to 21 before moving to Winnipeg to enroll in a detox program and turn his life around. He says at the end of the day, those experiencing homelessness first need people's compassion.
Treat people like people.
If you or someone you know is suffering from mental illness, these are some of the resources that can be accessed to get help. In Winnipeg, Djan, City News.